G'day everyone, this is an old Willesco generator that I've finally found a use for. I've mounted it on a bit of Australian silky oak, routed it out, made the lamp post on the lathe, made this kill switch to turn the light off and on, which I'm happy about. But look, that's not why I'm showing you this. The main reason I wanted to show you this setup is that, like most people, running accessories from the steam engine has always been a bit of a pain in the arse. And the bugbear is when you hook it up to a pulley, the moment you put pressure to drive the generator or whatever you're driving, you get that effect. The accessory will pull towards the steam engine, and it's just a nuisance. You can try and put tacks along the side to try and hold it down, but then inevitably you'll get this effect, or it'll pull sideways. It'll just somehow it'll foul you up. So what I've come up with, these are little lugs that are used. You drill a hole in the side of a cabinet that you've made, you put them in, and glass shelf sits on top on the side of them. So you've got one on either side and your glass shelf sits on the side. They're brass, they're little lugs, and I came to the idea, I thought I might be able to utilise them. And what I've done, I've drilled them out with a small drill on this flat side and countersunk a hole right through the lug side. So what I've done is that enabled me to be able to put 4 on the base, and they just swing out. As you can see now, those 4 lugs are swung out. Put tacks in, put your belt on. You can see I can put a lot of pressure on that, and the whole board's moving. That's the board moving on its Lazy Susan base. There's no movement in that. Finish for the day. Take your tacks out, and the lugs just fold back in under the board. So there we have it. I'm pretty happy with that. I'd say that these glass window shelf holders are available in any country in the world. I haven't had a look on eBay or Amazon, but I'm pretty sure they would be. Fairly easy to do. You only need a drill press, and you can knock those out on a drill press with a countersink and 2 different size drill bits. So I hope that's helpful for somebody, just to give you an idea that there are ways to lock an accessory down. So I'm going through my accessories and retrofitting them all to this method of holding them down. Just really happy with the way that they just swing out so simply like that. Put them on the cork board, and pin through. So again, as always, appreciate you watching, and take care. Bye for now.